Hey guys, today let's learn how to see friend requests sent on Facebook. So if you guys want to go ahead and see the friend requests that you have sent on the Facebook application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and tap on the Facebook application and launch it. Go ahead and log on to your preferred account, and I want you to tap on here on your menus icon. Next, let's tap on our friends tab over here, and as you see, you can actually now see all of the people that has sent you a friend request. But if you want to go ahead and see the people that you have sent requests to, let's go ahead and see the option to see all the friend requests right here. As you see, we could now go ahead and locate our friend requests, and let's tap on this three dots option, and let's tap on view sent requests. As you see, you can actually go ahead and now view all of the requests that you have sent to people, and that's how you easily do that, guys. That is how you guys could view those friend requests that you have sent on Facebook. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.